Hey guys, so today I'm gonna unbox the brand new Eneloop Pro. It's actually made by Panasonic. Hey guys, so today we're going to take a look at the brand new Eneloop Pro. It's made by Panasonic. So let's just take a closer look at the box, shall we? First and foremost, it has a capacity of 2500 milliamp hours, and this is an Eneloop Pro, the black version. It states that it's high capacity for high drain devices. It's suitable for DSLR flash, remote control car, wireless devices, torch lights. And a very fascinating thing is that it can recharge up to 500 times, which is very amazing. And the best thing about Eneloop is that it's always come in a package pre-charged. And last but not least, it has a capacity retention of 85% after 1 year of usage. This is the size of AA, which has 4 batteries inside. Take a look at the back. We have, basically that's about it. So without further ado, let's just slice this package open and see what we have. I think we don't need a scissors, we could just use our fingers. Okay. Alright, so putting this aside, let's take a look at the batteries. Alright. In close inspection, alright, let me angle so you can see it. Alright. First we have the Eneloop. We have the Eneloop Pro branding. I'm sorry, it's a bit difficult to see because it's black color. Alright, it has a milliamp 2450, 1.2 volts, made in Japan, and Panasonic. Yeah, so technically the 4 batteries are just like that. I really like the color of it, and it has a very heavy kind of weight, which implies quality, which screams quality, shall speak. And these are very, you feel that it is made of very sturdy material, typical of Eneloop, which is favorites of all types of photographers, even household use. Everybody will recommend the usage of Eneloop. Alright, so I guess thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and I will catch you in another video. Peace, everybody.